What if I told you that AI is not just the future, it is the biggest money making opportunity happening right now? People are building $1 million business using free or cheap AI tools. And the best part is, you don't need to be a tech genius. You don't need to be a guru. You don't need coding skill. You just need to know how to use this tool the right way. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 proven ways to make money with AI. Method that real people are already using to earn 6, even 7-figure online right now. So grab your notebook, because by the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap to start your own AI power business today.
Welcome to Olly Hustle Hub, your go-to place for real energy, smart moves, and the grind behind the shine.
So let's start with the easiest and the fastest one: AI content creation. Right now, the demand for content is massive. Video, blog posts, social media, graphics, something, everybody needs content. With tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Runway ML, you can create all that in minutes instead of hours. You can use ChatGPT to write full YouTube scripts. You use Pika Lab or Runway to generate video that is visual, and use 11 Lab or agent for AI voiceover. If you don't want to use your voice, you can make use of this. That means you can run a faceless YouTube channel and never appear on camera, yet still make money through ads and sponsorship. Let's say you start a channel about personal finance. Okay. You ask ChatGPT to write the script for you. After writing the script, you take it to Midjourney to design your thumbnail. And the Pika, which is Pika Lab, we turn the script into idea, motion, or video. With consistency, you can easily earn 500 to 5,000 per month. You can also sell your AI-generated content, blog posts, thumbnail, or ad creative on Fiverr, Upwork, and other social medias online. Number 2, AI automation agency. Yes, you heard me right. AI automation agency. The second way to make serious money is by starting an AI automation agency. Every business has repetitive tasks: responding to mail, collecting leads, scheduling posts, managing customer chats, and you can automate all of these with AI. Imagine offering a service that sets up automation system for small businesses. For example, a chatbot, bot rather, that answer back question for your restaurants, or an email system that follow up with customer automatically. You can also create a workflow that manages leads for real estate agents. How do you monetize all those things? You can just charge 500 to 3K, 2K per product, sometimes more, and earn monthly retainers for maintenance. This is not what they will be paying for regularly again, and it's not what they will be looking for models to do for them again. You've already done the work with AI. Yours is just to be collecting maintenance fee from them weekly, monthly, or yearly, just to make the work perfect. So once you get results, scale online, grow your client base. Number 3, ASA development. The third method is where people are making real million: AI SaaS, or software as a service. That is just the so many of the acronyms. Software as a service, AI SaaS. Now, don't get scared by the word software. because my thinking is, the system of coding and all the stuff. No. You don't have to be a developer to build a simple AI-powered app anymore. You can use no-code platform like Boo.io, Replit, or connect ChatGPT APIs to create a small tools that solve specific problem. For instance, an AI resume builder, a YouTube title generator, a product description writer, or a caption generator for social media. All these will do a long way for a content creator. Think small but useful. These small tools can go viral. That is an AI resume builder, a YouTube title generator, a product description writer, or a caption generator for social media. They can go viral if they solve a real pain point. You can charge user from $9 to $49 per month. That is $9 per month. One target user paying $13 per month. That amounts to $10,000 monthly. That's roughly $120,000 a year. Can you see this is real cool cash? The fourth method is AI consulting, and it is perfect if you love teaching or problem solving. Right now, every business wants to use AI but don't know where to start. That is where you come in. You can help them choose the right AI tools, set up automation, or train their teams on how to use ChatGPT or Canva AI effectively. Consultants charge anywhere from hundreds to $1,000 per season, depending on experience and results. You can also create package, webinars, or digital guide. On this, you don't need a fancy degree, you just need practical knowledge. For instance, you could help a real estate agency use ChatGPT to write listing or generating emails. You can even use it to schedule showing automatically. They will pay you well because you are saving them hours of work every week. The secret is don't sell AI, sell transformation. Show people how it makes their life easier. The fifth one, which is also the final, is AI courses and education. Millions of people want to learn how to use AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Pika Labs. If you know how to use them, you can teach others and learn from it. You can create video tutorials on YouTube and monetize with ads. You can create paid courses on Udemy or Teachable, or sell digital guides or templates on Google. Courses can sell from $20 to $200 each, that is dollar. Combine that with YouTube ad revenue and affiliate income from AI tools you recommend, and it add up fast. Example, creators like Matt Wolf and others and Future Tools started by teaching AI basic. Now, they make thousands every month teaching what they know. So if you enjoyed explaining and helping others, this could be your $1 million gain. And you don't need a massive following. You just need value that solves real problems. So here is the recap. The first is create AI content, or you can start an AI automation agency. Your own can be build your own AI SaaS, or you can offer AI consultancy. And if you love teaching, you can be teaching AI with online courses. All 5 parts are proven, but remember, you don't need to do them all. Pick one, start small, and stay consistent. The AI wave isn't coming, it is already here. And those who learn how to ride it will be the one who create the real freedom.
4.
If this video gave you value, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI business videos, and comment below which of these 5 ways you are going to start with.